Alright, Max.
Here we go with some peas for the first time. See how this goes. What do you think, buddy? It's not squeezing them out.
Not like the brown rice.
Is that pretty tasty? You gonna swallow it? Max, hey, you gonna swallow it? Not too bad, huh? Oh, there it goes. Some more. Hey, stop looking at the camera. Hey, no, that's not fair. You can't do that.